Exactly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all my latest reviews. Today, I'm super excited to share my thoughts on a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone looking to boost their daily nutrition. It's the multivitamin powder drink mix for men and women with BCAA amino acids. This multivitamin powder is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, designed to support overall health, boost energy levels, and enhance muscle recovery. It's suitable for both men and women, making it a versatile addition to your daily routine. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. The packaging is sleek and informative, with all the essential details clearly listed. Inside, we have a convenient scoop for easy measuring and the powder itself, which has a pleasant smell. First impressions are definitely positive. Now, let's mix up a serving and see how it tastes. The instructions suggest mixing 1 scoop with 8-10 ounces of water, but you can also use your favorite juice or smoothie. The powder dissolves quickly and easily, leaving no clumps behind, which is always a plus. Alright, moment of truth, let's give it a taste. Takes a sip. Wow, that's actually really good. It's got a refreshing flavor that's not too sweet or overpowering. The texture is smooth and easy to drink, making it perfect for a quick and nutritious boost anytime during the day. What's great about this multivitamin powder is the impressive list of ingredients. It includes essential vitamins like A, C, D, and E, as well as B vitamins for energy support. Plus, the added BCAA amino acids help with muscle recovery and reduce fatigue, making it ideal for active individuals. I've been using this multivitamin powder for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, I've noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels and overall well-being. My workouts feel more effective, and I'm not as tired throughout the day. It's definitely become a staple in my daily routine. In conclusion, the multivitamin powder drink mix for men and women with BCAA amino acids is a fantastic product that delivers on its promises. It's easy to mix, tastes great, and provides a comprehensive blend of essential nutrients to support your health and fitness goals. I highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay energized.